And how many of you have completed 2 paths? Super. Okay. 2 paths. 1 to 5. 2 paths, anyone? Super. Congratulations. Good morning, dear Toastmasters, dear Ambattur achievers and visiting Toastmasters and guests. Today I will take you through my pathways journey. 1058 days I took to complete my first path, which was presentation mastery. And 497 days I am going to complete my second path, visionary communication, if my evaluator will allow me to do that. And it's almost less than the half of the time I took to complete my second path. So I'll take you throughout my journey of pathways. When I started this path, it was actually 21st October 2023. There are actually 5 levels in all the pathways. First level is about fundamentals. So this is all the speeches I have done. Level 1, icebreaker. My speech title was missing ingredient. Writing a speech with purpose. Vocal variety and body language. Speech title, blessings in disguise. And 4th, project evaluation and feedback was, speech title was evaluate to motivate. So the first speech, icebreaker, was all about, I talked about my husband, how he empowered me to do things on my own, and my tagline was, after every dark night there will be a bright morning. My second speech, was about, it was kind of humorous speech about my daughter. She uttered her first word, which was not amma, not appa, it was il. And my third speech, same speech, I converted that humorous to inspiring speech, blessings in disguise, because I got so many comments from society that your child is a dumb. And that I converted to inspiring speech, vocal variety and body language. My 4th speech was also a humorous speech, which was all about how I did funny things while learning evaluations. I was doing like my listening was not good, and I was giving anything as a feedback because I didn't know what to say, what not to say. So those were my challenges of learning evaluations. And in evaluation and feedback, there are actually 3 projects. Same speech we deliver for the next time to incorporate the feedbacks. And after that, we do that last evaluation to learn the evaluation. Coming to the level 2. Level 2, which you already listened one speech from Toastmaster Venkatesh, is understanding your leadership style. This is the second project in visionary communication. Understanding your communication style, a curly line makes your life straight. That was my speech, which I did it in grab bag session, and I became an opportunist. Whenever I got an opportunity, that was also a funny story, because someone from the new member got that speaker slot in grab bag session. It was not planned meeting, and then I took the opportunity to exchange my chit, and I delivered my understanding your communication style speech. Understanding your leadership style, which was all about put you before me, because when we are leader, we have to put others before us. And just I kept my things aside, and I just worked with my team and inspired them to do things, work for them. Third project was Introduction to Toastmasters Mentoring, which was my favorite project, because I wish I could have got 1 hour to speak about my mentor. Do you know who is my mentor? No. Toastmaster Jyoti Thomas, who is a pathway champion. She has completed 11 paths, and again she has started the learning management system. Again she is doing another, second time the pathways. She always pushed me, Shweta, complete your path, complete your path. Ma'am, I have president role, I have club coach role. How can I do that? How can I find time? No, Shweta, you will have to do. You finish your path, finish your path. But I had that challenge. I could not do it so early because always we have, if you are in leadership position, you will have to take care of that thing first, and your own thing will come behind that. Level 3 is all about connecting with storytelling types of projects. My level 3 was develop your communication plan was my compulsory project. In level 3, there will be one compulsory project and 2 electives are minimum requirement. Second elective was storytelling, connect with storytelling. That also I did it in grab bag session, because one new member got the role of speaker and he was not prepared, so he was requesting me, Shweta ma'am, you do it. And I talked about my mother, how she transformed from a small village and she got the second class officer role. She got complete that exam and she got that, how she struggled throughout her journey. That was my speech. That title was Madam X. And there were 2 speeches in one project, which I would suggest everyone to do, because this is the speech, this is the project which we need in all our day-to-day life. Any guess? In level 3? Okay, that is social speech. Ananda has done and I have done. And I was, I can say that that was the best speech I ever delivered, because that was about appreciating my mentor. That was Arun Kumar. He was my leadership guru, and his small suggestions just transformed my life. So I was just talking about him, and that was my best ever speech. I always remember that. And second, there are we need to opt two speeches in one project. That was eulogy, which I talked about my grandfather. He passed away 26 years ago, and during that speech I could not control my emotion and I cried during the speech. And it's not always true that out of sight is out of mind. So that happened with me, and I still feel that my grandfather is with me, and I always remember him because I spent my childhood with my grandfather. That was my level 3 completed. And my level 4, it was my compulsory project was communicate change. You all heard that story I delivered last, because this was the toughest project for me. I was not able to find the story. I did not want to speak something hypothetical. There is a choice. I can speak, but I thought I will speak something real. And when all the projects over, I had no choice. And then idea popped into my mind. I realized that I have 2 stories which I can speak the changes I made during my leadership role, and I completed this in Ambattur Achievers on 26 January. So, thank you. The second elective project I chose is Manage Project Successfully. A few of you were there when I completed my role as a conference chair, and I delivered my first speech. There are actually 2 speeches. First is about planning, 2 to 3 minutes about planning you have to say, and second is about execution, 5 to 7 minutes about your experience. So I did it. Stop stopping yourself was my first speech when I was taking a break from my leadership journey, and I got that conference chair role, and then I realized that I should stop myself and move forward. And second was Brilliance 2024, which was my experience, what was a struggle, or how I performed that role. So that was about that. This level 5 biggest daddy of any pathway, because speeches will be 5 to 7 minutes, but you cannot do it as only a speech, because there are projects. When it comes to level 4 and 5, mostly there are 6 months projects, and this is my compulsory project. Develop a vision plan. There are 2 speeches, 5 to 7 minutes, first speech, and 5 to 7 minutes about how you complete it. So this was a biggest mess I made, because take action before it's too late. This project transformed my life, personal life. Why? Because I started to visualize things. If I won't eat healthy food, what will happen? If I don't take care of my health, what will happen? I will become older, I won't be able to walk, I won't be. So that was, I started to visualize, and then I realized that I should work on my health, and my goal was to fit into my favorite jacket, and which I did it. And my second project was Back to Health, was all about how I completed that project. Last but not least, here I challenged myself, because this was elective high performance leadership, which I chose on my own, and I got the push from my mentors, and Ananda was my team member, all Nitya ma'am, Arun Kumar, all were my guidance committee, and they supported a lot. And then I completed this high performance leadership. First speech was Challenge to Change, and second speech was PPP, which was all about completion. And not only I did it, I also got this award from District 120. So if I talk about where is my paper? Overall learnings, what I learned to summarize is VISTA, visualization. I started to visualize things. And innovation, I knew more about myself, and tried to make things creative. Strategize, planned accordingly, because without a strategy we cannot reach to our destination. Teamwork, I learned in that, manage projects successfully, and high performance leadership. Achieve, if you will do all 4, then you will achieve. So to conclude, I will say that completing a path is not a big deal. It's just a piece of cake. If you set a goal, strategize as per proper plan, and then you observe your life closely, you will get the story, and you will get that path completion, and you will come here and speak and say, wow, I did it. Thank you.